Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a condition in which a man is unable to achieve sex desire and maintain erection for penetrative sexual activity. Signs and symptoms. There are two main causes of erectile dysfunctions: physical, psychological. Physical causes: diabetes, high cholesterol level, cardiovascular diseases, prostate cancer, high blood pressure, alcohol addiction, some prescribed drugs, liver and kidney diseases, surgery to bladder and prostate, poor blood flow to penis. Now it's time to talk about some natural remedies. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which improves the penile blood flow and sustain a longer erections. Garlic increase the hydrogen sulpfide, which enhances the blood flow in the body. Precautions: never use for long time on daily basis. Garlic along with vitamin C causes to increase the nitric oxide, which dilates the blood vessels and improve the blood circulation in blood vessels. Almonds. Almonds are aphrodisiac in nature. They are rich in vitamin E, which has been used by people for fertility issues for thousands of years. 1 tablespoonful of powdered almond with a glass of warm milk improves the conditions. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent sexual stimulant and libido enhancer. It contains aphrodisiac agents like gingerol, shogaol and xenibrine. Use of a cup of ginger tea 3 times daily can improve the conditions. 2 teaspoons of blend of ginger and honey can also be used 3 times daily for 1 to 2 months. Half-boiled egg with half teaspoon of ginger nectar and 1 tablespoon of honey can be used for 30 days. Now we like to share some extra tips for our lovely subscribers. Maintain normal blood pressure. Do exercise regularly. Avoid frequent use of alcohol. Reduce stress level. Use omega-3 fatty acids and zinc as an essential part of food. Thanks for watching our videos. We need your kind support by subscribing our channel and get instant notification by clicking bell icon. Thank you and have a nice and healthy day.